Clinton Moisey's day is ending. Just as badly as it started. When his best friend...
What the hell? I'm sorry.
...was murdered.
Mouser? There's an arrow sticking out of my cat!
Any enemies that you know of, or recent threats of any kind?
No, Mouser was very well liked.
I meant you?
My best friend was murdered today, and I demand justice.
They called me a harmless oddball?
Honey, I think that it was meant to be endearing.
Now,
What the?
he's about to discover his cat
Hello?
had more than one life.
And I want to know why there's a picture of my cat all over your wall.
That's Horatio, my cat.
I think I know what's going on here. You two owned the same cat.
This is the murder weapon.
Who would do something like this?
I don't know, but I'm gonna find his killer. You with me?
Yeah.
Let's roll. Oh, do you have a car? Otherwise, I should ask my mom. Oh, is this thing road safe?
Suspect number 1.
As a bolt for a crossbow, you could take down a rabbit at full stride from 100 feet. Pow! I mean, not pow, because it's crossbow, but...
Suspect number 2.
You hear that? They're booing you, boy.
They're booing you, you idiot.
Suspect number 3.
I'm not.
Get back to work.
What are you doing?
I'm taking care of a little thing called justice. This ends today.
Murder of a cat.
Clinton, honey, you remember Frank, don't you?
No, actually, I don't know any Frank. I know a Sheriff Hoyle, but no. Is he wearing my robe?